welcome back to CountyLine TV for day 2 of this drift event. I forgot to close out yesterday's video. Again, I do that every time I go to a drift event. I always forget. Anyway, we stayed in my dad's camper last night. It's super bougie and nice. Best sleep I've ever got at a drift event. Now I woke up a little late and there's an angry mob of people needing tires changed, so I'm gonna go change like 20 tires. again. Very bad at vlogging at a drift event. I'm awful at that. A couple things to note before we go into qualifying, which is what we're about to do. My tow arms are self-adjusting themselves every freaking lap. So my toe is just different every time. So that's cool, not cool at all. Anyway, we're gonna qualify. Hopefully qualify at least. The car's driving really good for the tow moving around all the time. The Velinos didn't last as much as I thought they would. Little bummer there. No big deal. We're gonna get out there. CJ's gonna qualify this time since his handbrake works and his clutch works and stuff. Justin's gonna qualify really well with the camera. And then we're gonna take her to the top. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully the car on track doesn't mute me too bad, but I did a qualifying run. I'm sure it's on camera. They gave me a 75, which is good. On a score base to 90, there's 3 judges, 30 points apiece, so your highest score is 90. I got a 75. I'm not upset about that. I'm not gonna try to better it because I don't have enough tires, so we're going into this with a 75. And we'll see what happens after that. guys would have just seen, I went out to Mike in the top 8, which I think would make me 6th position overall. God, he's just a robot behind the wheel. So consistent. Every lap he just slays it. He's a robot. So I kind of expected that. That's actually, I think, like the 3rd, maybe 4th time Mike and I have went against each other in competition, and the outcome's always the same every time. So that's gonna be it for me. We might get some more fun driving at the end of the day. At least I hope so. I'd like to go kill the rest of these tires that are on my car. Not that there's much left of them anyway. But if that's it, we'll see you on the next one.